So it's great to have you with us, and in today's video we're going to be showing you some blues footwork variations for West Coast swing. Not just for blues, but it can be for other styles as well. Hello everybody, it's Philippe de Brouwers here, and a huge warm welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel I help people get better at dance, and I specialise in West Coast swing and solo dance, and I've got influences in styles like ballet, contemporary hip hop and more. And I also would love to invite you to subscribe to this channel, so you're very welcome to click on that subscribe button below and to switch on those notifications, which will help you get notified when videos are released. And you're very welcome to share this also with a friend that you feel this could help, and also to comment below any comments or questions you might have. So let's get into the video. So here's some cool footwork variations. You can use this in a lot for blues, but of course you can use them in other styles of dance. So first of all, we're going to have to talk about the swung rhythm. So a lot of people, when they dance West Coast swing, they might do their triples, what's known as straight timing, which is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So we're going to think about swinging that count, so it becomes 1, a 2, 3, a 4, 5, a 6, 7, a 8. So instead of going 1 and 2, we're actually moving the and across close to that 2, so it becomes 1, a 2 instead of 1 and 2. So it's much nicer because a lot of blues is swung, the actual rhythm is swung, and it feels so nice when you're dancing that swung rhythm. So that's the first thing we need to talk about. So with all these folk variations, it's nice to use that swung rhythm. And if you don't know any of these folk variations, when you dance blues, just adding this in will add so much dimension to your dancing as well. So you can also dance a swung rhythm when you're dancing to other styles which are not necessarily swung. You can also add a nice look to it. So our first variation we're going to look at here is I'm going to do a kickball change into a hitch step variation where the foot drags backwards. That sounds very complicated, but don't worry, it's really cool. And so leaders and followers can do a lot of these moves, both of them. This one is a good one for the leaders actually, but the first part followers can do as well. So what we're going to think about here is do a kickball change, which basically, as if I was a leader now doing it, but the followers, you can do this as well. You're just going to use the other leg, mirroring me. I'm going to go kick, ball, and then change the other foot. So kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change. We can think about kicking, pointing downwards and even turning that foot out like I'm doing there. Or I can kick with a flex foot with the heel up. I can also do a tap, ball change, and I can even do things like this where we touch here, ball change. I can go bring the knee up, ball change. But there's lots of variations and more for this. So followers, you're doing the same thing, but just mirror the other way around, where you might go kick, ball change, kick, ball change. Notice as well as I'm going kick, ball change instead of kick, ball change, which is the straight timing. Kick, ball change. It's more kick, ball change. So holding it for a bit longer, that first movement is really cool. So what I'm thinking about here is that if I was to do a sugar push as a leader or any other move, I'll be going 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6, and now I'm going to go a kick, ball change, moving ready for a right side pass. I'm thinking about the right foot crossing over, and then with the calf against the shin of the other foot, I'm going to put the heel down, bring that foot out, and we're going to do another syncopated rhythm for kick, ball change as we do our right side pass, and then we do our usual triples to finish off our movements there. I'll show you again. So any move, imagine you're doing a sugar push. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6. Now we can do some of this magical stuff. So I can go kick, ball change, drag, ball change, triple step, triple step. Ooh, very nice. I can see you doing that at home. Very nice. Hey, nice. So followers, you're thinking about very similar things, especially on that first kickball change. So imagine we're doing that sugar push from this side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I like to close my ankle, then open it up. My angle. So I've done my 5 and 6, and I'm going to do my kick, ball change as I come forwards, and now I'm being into that right side pass. Of course, I can't do that drag really the same way the leader does it because of the mechanics of this move. And I got my 2 triples, my triple step. Once again, it's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. We go kick, ball change, and we can with our right side pass. Doing that once again from this side. 1, 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and 6, and kick, ball change, triple step, triple step. Already adds a lot to our move. It's really nice, isn't it? So now our second move is now fantastic. I call these lateral moves because they move to the side. Because normally in West Coast swing we dance down that slot. If the slot was this way, we're dancing up and down. The follower owns that slot, and the leaders, we are moving in and out the slot, letting that follower go from A to B. So now I'm thinking about doing the moves laterally. So now if that was the slot, now the moves are going this way. Or if I was to face you and the slot was this way, the moves will now be going this way. So what we're going to do now, with the leaders first, followers will be mirroring this, and I will show you that afterwards. And it's going to be starting off like a sugar push, 4 and a 1, but then I'm going to bring this foot in, open up my body, which is going to lead my follower. On 2, now I'm going to do a triple step, which is like a lock step, like this, with my feet turned down, triple step, and now I'm going to do a triple step coming around 180 degrees, triple step. Now I'm going to do 2 triple steps, triple step and a triple step, whichever hand you want to have with your partner. That's a nice way to start off with that move, but we can add turns in there as well, as I'm sure you may have seen before. So once again, I'm going and a 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6, 7 and a 8, 9 and a 10. And there's me doing a little cheeky swap over the hand there. So that's what we did for the leaders. Followers, same thing for you. I can't do it facing my back to you, but if I was doing it facing this way, I'll be starting going forwards on 1, going forwards for 1, and then opening up on that 2, like this, on 2, and then the same thing, triple step, triple step, triple step, triple step. I'm going to show you from this side as a follower. We're going to be going forwards for 1, opening up, bringing that foot in there, opening up on 2. Now we do for our triple steps. Lock step first, triple step, tripling on the inside, and then 2 more triples, triple step, ready. It's such a nice move when both people do that together. So I call that one the lateral move. That's going to the leader's right or the follower's left. Really nice one. Swing those rhythms as well when you do those triple steps. You'll love that, it's really nice. And so now our third cool footwork variation for blues or other styles. It's like this. It looks like a sugar push at the start, but I'm opening up to my left as a leader. So it's 1 and then 2. I'm going to do a kickball change. We love our kickball changes. Choose the way you want to do that. I might do a heel one here. Kick, ball change. Now triple step to come around and face the other way, so 180 degrees. Triple step. And now if I want to, I can do a triple and finish it there. So once again, I'm going 1, opening up on 2, and how I lead that with my follower, it's not pulling the arm, it's me angling that body, which makes, that leads that follower as well, using the body. That's what's so good about West Coast swing. We use our body to lead. So smooth, isn't it? So it's 1, 2, kick, ball change. That I did a point there with my kick, ball change in that occasion. Now I'm going to come around to face the other way with a triple step. So I'm going triple step, and then I'm going to come back to face my partner for triple step. Followers, now for your turn. Imagine now I'm following now. I'm going to do this the other way around. So it's going to be 1, opening up on 2. We're going to kick, ball change, coming around on the inside, triple step, triple step. Nice. So followers, we're going to come forwards on 1, and then opening up on 2. Then we're going to do our kick, ball change. So I might do it with a heel here. Kick, ball change, and then leader's you only come around once the leader leads that for triple step, and then we're going to go for our triple step. Nice. One more time, just to make sure. So I'm going to go forwards for 1, opening up as we step on 2, then I'm going to go kick, ball change, triple step, and then triple step. Great, so I hope you enjoyed that video today. There were some moves there for blues. I do love dancing to blues music. Those moves can also be used with other styles. And also do check out this other video, I'm not sure which side's going to come in, which also shows some more cool footwork variations for West Coast swing. So I'd like to wish you all a wonderful day, and don't forget to enjoy your dancing, and don't forget to go for those dreams. Great, and I'm going to do something else here as well.
Get out of there, cat.
So let's get on with it.
You gotta do another trick. The cat was making too much noise in the background.
Nice, that's a good one, Philippe. Well done. So how it looks like is this. I'm going 1, 2. Ooh, let me do that one again. So I'm going a triple step, triple. Ooh, let me do that one again. So, so guys, I've done my outro already. So, and 1, 2. There's a nice cat there on the side. Always good to have some civilian action going on. 3 and 4. Sorry, 5 and 6, and then 7 and 8. And we have a good West Coast swing dancer there in this wonderful cat who's enjoying this class.